Monster animal movies for my mom. Lake Placid. It has Betty White swearing at a cop. It's amazing. Lake Placid. Cocaine Bear. Tremors, 1990. If she loves megafauna, she'll probably love Troll Hunter, 2010. Clever movie. Deep Blue Sea, 1999. The Host, 2006, directed by Bong Joon-ho, but I'm not sure about its availability on streaming services. Alligator, 1980. Crawl isn't a mega monster, but it's a fantastic movie. Shark Side of the Moon, Toby.
Rogue, 4.
Tremors. Primeval. Tremors 1 and 2. Snakes on a Plane. Has she seen the latest Godzilla movie or any of the older Japanese Kaiju movies? The Ghost and the Darkness.
Cujo.
White Dog. Both normal dogs turning wild. Rampage. Terrible, but it has The Rock, so kids will like it. Dragonheart, 1996, with Sean Connery as the voice of the dragon.
Crawl.
Gremlins, 1984. Does Eight-Legged Freaks count? Nobody said arachnophobia shame. I'd throw Pandorum on that list, though it's more in the sci-fi category. Snakes on a Plane. The snakes aren't mega-sized, but I still feel it falls in the category you're looking for.
Sting.